Hello lovelies! Happy Vlogmas Day 2. It is the second day of the daily December giveaways. Keep watching to find out how to enter. Here is the day 2 giveaway box. We have the Gizu body oil. We have the Summer Fridays moisturizer. We have the Ellis Brooklyn vanilla milk. We have some NARS, Drunk Elephant. We also have a pharmacy lip balm. And then my absolute favorite falsies, the velour cluster lashes. I'm off to get my nails done. I've been resting my nails for a month and they have been craving a mani. We are gonna get some holiday nails. We're gonna get the full set, extensions, everything. I'm so excited. Let's go. Okay, the nails are all done. What do we think? I got red French tips and then chrome and of course extensions. I feel like they're very holiday. So cute. And I finally feel more like myself with longer nails. And then me and Brandon, we got some holiday drinks. I love Tim's and they had a white chocolate candy cane drink. I'm gonna try this. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Oh, I wish I got a large. If you live in Canada, get this, it's so good. Finally home. Okay, let's turn on the tree. I got the candles. I'm gonna set them up on the candle holders. I realized I didn't measure it, so let's pray that it fits. Yay! Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Now it's time to make the little bows for the tree. I saw this tutorial that gave a really good hack to making a bow with chopsticks.
Single time, this is so easy. Tape down chopsticks or treat sticks like these, wrap your ribbon around, loop it over, then tie a knot at the bottom. This is so simple, anyone can do it. Share with a friend.
Like, it's so easy. Okay, let me try it. Okay, that tutorial didn't make sense. We're trying a different tutorial. Oh my gosh, okay, we succeeded. We finally made a bow after 20 minutes of me trying to find a new tutorial. We finally got it. Okay, let's try putting it on the tree. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Wow. See, hard work pays off. Okay. Hey, look how cute the little bows are. Oh my gosh. But that took way longer than it should have. I was literally sitting there for an hour making those bows, but hard work pays off. Now we have the cutest tree. The last thing we have to do is wrap up the presents, the fake presents. I got craft wrapping paper. I thought something neutral would be really cute. And then look how pretty this ribbon is. I'm gonna use this to wrap the presents as well. The thing is I suck at wrapping presents. So we're just gonna have to see. I'm just gonna wing it. I'm not looking at a tutorial anymore. We're just gonna go with it. Here is the first gift box. I feel like I did a good job. The sides look a little bit messed, but it's fake, so who cares? It's fine. So now we just have 5 more to go. Wait. I literally don't have enough ribbon. Oh. Okay, so we only have enough ribbon for literally 1.5 presents. So I'm gonna have to put this on hold and do this another day. I think I might also get some new wrapping paper because I wish it was more white. I wish it was white and then maybe red ribbon or something so that it stands out a bit more. The important thing is I'm hosting a Christmas dinner on Sunday. So this just all needs to be done by Sunday. Sometimes I wonder why I'm so dumb and clumsy. Okay, I'm having some ice cream for my dessert. It's cookie dough and chocolate chip. It's so good. And look what I got in the mail. It's this Benefit huge basket. Oh my gosh. This is insane. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna open up number 1. I think I'm gonna treat this like an advent calendar. Wait, look how cute this little packaging is. This is their Precisely My Brow Pencil. So cute. I definitely don't need all 24 of these. So I think I'm gonna add them in the giveaway boxes. I feel like this would be such a fun little gift to also put in. I love Benefit. Their brow products, their blushes, their bronzers are my absolute favorite. I know you guys are gonna love these, so I'm gonna add these in the giveaway boxes. At least we got one thing done. We finished the tree. And I have been watching this drama called When the Phone Rings. Guys, it is so good. You need to watch it. It's on Netflix and it's with Yoo Yeon-suk and Chae Soo-bin. And literally it's all over my Twitter, or X, I guess, and it's insane. I'm on episode 4 right now. This is what it looks like. It's about this married couple that doesn't like each other. The guy is a politician and the girl is actually a mute. But I'm not gonna give any spoilers, but there's just a lot of stuff that goes on. A lot of unexpected things happen. It's very suspenseful, but also like their chemistry is insane. If you like romance K-dramas, then you need to watch this. I'm gonna watch this before I go to bed. Literally everyone's raving about it. If you're not watching it, like what are you doing? So go watch it if you haven't. And before we end Vlogmas Day 2, I'm gonna pack up the giveaway box and tell you guys the rules. Just subscribe, like this video, and comment your Instagram handle and your favorite holiday drink because we had one today. And just follow me on Instagram. Winners will be announced 24 hours after this video is posted in the pinned comment below and on my IG story. The Day 2 Benefit little box. Let's just quickly open it so you guys know what it is. And it is the Professional Pore Purifying Foaming Cleanser. So cute. Sneak it in right there. How cute. This is such a good goodie box. Okay, we are done Vlogmas Day 2 and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.